Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to uninstall unused app through your Snaptube. How do you find your unused app? Snaptube is very useful. There are a lot of things that you can do on your Snaptube. Once you open your Snaptube, you need to do is go to your settings here. If you go to your settings here, there are a lot of things that you can do on your settings. Now app uninstaller is there on your Snaptube. Just click on app uninstall and it's going to bring all your apps on your phone straight away to your Bing X. You can see, and these are the apps. So you can see these are the apps. What you need to do is just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to uninstall any of this app. These are the apps that you're not using with you can see 1 of 17. You can see Snaptube have access to all your apps and you can automatically uninstall any apps from your Snaptube. So it's very easy, guys. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.